x equivalent to cubed root of, the question I am writing it, x equivalent to cubed root of 6 plus, cubed root of 6 plus, cubed root of 6 plus, and so on. And so on. Generally in SSC examination, square root related questions are there. So I thought of keeping a cube root related questions. X equivalent to cubed root of 6 plus, cubed root of 6 plus, cubed root of 6. Now I wanted to explain a concept here. Just listen carefully. In this kind of question, see here, what probably you can do is cubing on both the sides. If I cube it, cubing on both the sides. Listen carefully, sir. I want to teach a concept here. Cubing on both the sides. So if I cube it, x cube equivalent to, cube it will go away, it is 6 plus, this entire value it is 6. X cube equivalent to 6 plus x. X cube is equivalent to 6 plus x. X cube is equivalent to 6 plus x. Now, morning in the previous session I discussed let x equivalent to a plus b method. But in this I want to teach one more method, which is synthetic division. Synthetic division. Listen very carefully, sir. Synthetic division. What do you mean by synthetic division? When a polynomial function is divided by divisor, I will get a quotient. I will get a quotient as well as a remainder. When a polynomial function is divided by any other polynomial function, I will get a quotient as well as a remainder. By using synthetic division, I can find the quotient as well as a remainder. Synthetic division is used to find the quotient as well as a remainder. Q of x is called quotient. Q of x is called quotient. R of x is called remainder. R of x is called remainder. Q of x it is quotient and R of x is called remainder. Now let us see how it will be there. Very important slide. Listen very carefully, sir. So x cube minus x minus 6 is equivalent to 0. X cube minus x minus 6 equivalent to 0. Now let us see for some smaller values of x. X equivalent to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 6, minus 6. It is not equivalent to 0. X cannot be equivalent to 0. Why? Because constant is there. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 6, minus 6. X cannot be equivalent to 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 6. X cannot be equivalent to minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 6. Not possible. Let me check whether x equivalent to 2 does it satisfy. Two cube it is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. X equivalent to 2 will satisfy. That means synthetic division. Listen carefully, sir. Synthetic division. Synthetic division is a process where you can save the division time. How you can save the division time? We will see here. Coefficient of x cube, it is 1. Write down the coefficients. Listen very carefully, sir. X square it is not there. So let me write down here. These are the coefficients. These are the coefficients. These x cube, these x square, these x, and it is constant. If something is missing, write down 0. Coefficient of x cube it is 1. X square it is not there. X it is minus 1. Constant it is minus 6. Synthetic division, first write down the coefficients. You are dividing it by x equivalent to 2, that means x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor. Are you all with me? If you are putting x equivalent to 3, that means x minus 3 is a factor of p of x. If x minus x equivalent to 2 is satisfying, that means x minus 2 is a factor. Start with 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Cross multiply. 1 2s are 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. If the last value it is 0, that means this is a factor. Definitely yes. That means, and it will be x cube minus x minus 6 is, first x minus 2 is a factor. Cubic divided by linear. Remaining is quadratic. Write down in serial order. X square plus 2x plus 3. X square plus 2x plus 3. So how I wrote cubic equation? As a product of linear with quadratic. First I substituted x equivalent to 0, not possible because constant is there. 1 not possible, minus 1 not possible. 2 is satisfying. That means x minus 2 is a factor. Write down the coefficients of a polynomial expression in serial order. Coefficient of x cube 1. Coefficient of x square not present 0. Coefficient of x minus 1. Constant minus 6. Start with 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 2s are 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. If you observe here, for this quadratic, b square minus 4ac. 4 minus 12 minus 8, it is less than 0. It is less than 0. So, d less than 0, that means roots are imaginary. How many real roots are there? X equivalent to 2 is the real root. X equivalent to 2, this is the real root. I hope the logic it is very, very clear. Very, very clear. In the previous session, we discussed keep x equivalent to a plus b. That is one logic. Keep a plus b equivalent to one logic. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. So, this is a cubic equation. Cubic equation will have all the three real or 2 imaginary and 1 real. Here we got 2 imaginary and 1 real. 2 imaginary and 1 real. I hope synthetic division is very, very clear to you. Idea clear? Next one.